Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect third-party applications to OneDesk by using the Zapier platform. So the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a Zapier account. So you'll go to zapier.com and you'll create an account. And then you'll go log into your account and go to connected accounts. Here you'll want to connect up your OneDesk account and the other application that you'd like to connect OneDesk to. So we'll start by searching and selecting OneDesk in this dropdown, and this will pop up an authentication box where you'll enter your email and password and connect your OneDesk account to Zapier. I already have some accounts connected. I'm going to use those. You'll do the same thing for the other application that you'd like to connect OneDesk to. And in our case, we're going to be connecting OneDesk to live chat. So I've already connected my live chat account. It's going to be very similar. You search for your application here and you log in. Next step is to make a Zap. So you click Make a Zap, and this will open a new form where you can choose the workflow for your new Zap. So we would like, in my case, to create a Zap that works as follows. When a new ticket is created in live chat, so someone's chatting on your website and they chat with a support agent and a new ticket is created, we would like to push that new ticket into OneDesk where we manage our help desk, and so we can take that ticket through its workflow in OneDesk. So I'm going to start by searching for live chat. And you can see there I find it, so I select it. And now I have to choose the trigger. So what event should occur in live chat to trigger this ticket creation? And in our case, we're going to choose new ticket. So I'm going to click that option. And just so you know, different applications will have different options here. It all depends on what events exist in their application. In this case, live chat allows you to trigger on a finished chat, a new ticket, or a few more things. We're selecting new ticket. I click Save and Continue. And I have my live chat account connected. If I had multiple ones, I could choose which one I'd like to use here. I'll just click Test, and I see that I have success. So this account is properly connected. So I'll click Save and Continue. Here it gives me a bit of help information. You can read through that if it interests you, and click Continue. Here I need to pick a sample to set up your account. So now it's going to load some samples from live chat. It's waiting, and look, it found a sample. I'm going to use this one. So I click Continue. And now I'm looking for the action step. Now the action step is to create a new ticket in OneDesk. So I'm going to search for OneDesk. There it is. I select it. And then I'll select what trigger do I want to create in OneDesk. So the trigger action would be to create an item. Now we have a whole bunch of different actions you can choose from. You could create a new user or customer. You could create a container, which is like a project in OneDesk. You can create an item, which is like a ticket or task or any of the other items we manage. There's some other less common options like creating comments, updating items, finding items, and finding containers. But in our case, we're going to choose Create Item. Okay, so do that and click Save and Continue. And now we need to choose our OneDesk account. I'll just choose this first one here, and I will test it as well. And you see there's success. So I'll choose that, and I'll click Save and Continue. And now we need to decide what we'd like to occur on the newly created item in OneDesk. In this case, we first want to determine that it is going to be a ticket. So I will just select ticket. I have a whole bunch of different types of items in this account. Let me find the ticket here. There it is. And I would like to determine what the name of the newly created ticket should be. So I will click Insert a Field, and I'm going to choose the ticket subject from live chat to be the subject of my new ticket in OneDesk, the name of the new ticket in OneDesk. I could add multiple properties here. For example, I might want to preface it by the ID and then have some space and then the subject or something like that. Any of the properties that that are available in this list can be added to the name. Also, description, which is optional in a OneDesk ticket, but you're probably going to want it. After all, it is the important part of the ticket. So then I'm going to choose the ticket message as my content. So I've added just the name is going to be pulled from the ticket subject from the live chat ticket, and the description is going to be pulled from the ticket content. Now, if I'd like to in OneDesk, I can put it inside a project. So I can have a project for maybe incoming live chat messages, but essentially I can just search for the projects that are in my account here and choose one. And if not, I can just not put it in a container, and it will in fact be created outside of a project in my OneDesk account. I could also choose to do something similar for priority. And finally, I click continue. And here I can then send a test item to OneDesk from live chat to OneDesk. So I'll send a test to OneDesk. I have a new test item was sent. At this point, I could log into my OneDesk account in a new browser window and check out if that new item was created properly in OneDesk. Finally, I'll click Finish. And at this point, I give a name to my Zap, and I can turn it on. When that's done, I have a fully functioning Zapier integration. When a new ticket is created in your live chat application, it will automatically create a new ticket in your OneDesk account. So there's a few seconds delay, but still it will go through. So that's creating a Zap using the Zapier platform and using it to integrate an application into OneDesk. Thank you. Don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions.